Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Mobile Legends Bang Bang game. Keeping Mobile Legends running smoothly is important for better performance and fewer glitches, so over time cache file build up and may cause lag, loading times, error, or unexpected app behavior. So clearing the cache is a safe and effective way to refresh the game without losing any important data. So first of all, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang game on your device as usual, and then once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From your gear page, click on Network Test button at the bottom center of the screen. On the next page, go to the left hand corner and look for Clear Cache and tap on it. Now click on the Clean button in order to start clearing cache. Now, you'll need to restart the game, tap OK, and this will restart your Mobile Legends Bang Bang game, and this will also apply the refresh completely. So that's how you easily clear cache in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, whichever device you are using. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.